This example features a full-height wall. To begin construction, add a line of silicon to the existing wall section. Now, following the wall plan, place the correct wall section onto the existing section. Then secure down to the section below using the 25mm nuts and bolts. Then secure the box sections next to each other with the bolts provided. When it comes to securing the wall sections to the exterior of the property, ensure it's level. Now pre-drill using a 6.5mm SDS drill bit, having first checked for hidden wires or pipes. Then secure the wall sections to the wall with the 50mm direct-to-brick fixings. Once complete, you're ready to add your sills.